Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing these markers sent to me by Lightwish. The markers are called the Super Golden markers and it has 12 colors. Do you know the markers that you are always searching to add that sparkle to your drawing? These are the ones. These pens have 0.7mm thin tip and come on these 12 beautiful colors as you can see on the back of the box, which means lots of ideas now that Christmas is approaching and everyone needs some glitter in their art, right? I fell in love with the blue instantly, so that's the one I just grabbed first. The markers can be used not only in paper but all other surface, and it's always super shiny and super matte. They are made of high quality Italian water-based pigment ink. They are also waterproof, non-toxic, odorless and leak-free. I will show that after. There's also the instructions in the pen of how you can do to make the ink get to the point. Of course, I had a little trouble just opening the pen. But they also look very comfortable to use. To use them, you need to make the ink get to the tip, and that took me a while, but the good part about it is that after the ink gets to the tip, you can control very easily the ink. You just need to press against the paper and some more ink will fill the tip and you can control very smoothly. When I saw these colors, it reminded me of Neptune from Sailor Moon, so that's what I will be drawing. Just a little drawing of her and adding this glitter to her drawing. I will not even use any markers or colors. I will just use these golden markers. Just look how shiny they are, and you can even mix all the other colors and they work very well, as you can see on this little drawing I did. I ended up drawing the version of Princess Neptune, in case if you are wondering. Sailor Moon will always be a big part of my inspiration when I got into manga illustration. If this is your first time in my channel and you like my art and my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to click the bell so you won't miss my new videos. So when I had the drawing done, I used regular fine liners that you can find everywhere. Then I passed to the metallic colors and look how great they work. I absolutely loved how lovely they look and how shiny they are. Also the control I have while coloring, it's also great, and you can also see on this video. These pens are also great as a Christmas gift too. So if you want to see how to get them, just go to my description box. You can find the links, you can buy them from Amazon, and there's also some stores, so you can just go down and you can see. Now, just imagine a postcard for Christmas with these lovely metallic colors. Are you getting many ideas like me while watching this video? I hope you like this little creation I did, and I want to thank Lightwish for sending me these amazing golden markers. They are very nice and I'm pretty sure I will use them again. They are indeed what they told me when they contacted me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you also have a lovely day and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye!